Convariance. In probability theory and statistics, convariance is a measure of joint variability of two random variables. The greater values of one variable mainly correspond with the greatest value of the other variables, and the same holds for lesser values. In the opposite cases, when the greater values of one variable mainly correspond to the lesser values of the other, the sign of the variance therefore shows the tendency in the linear relationship between the variables. The magnitude of the convariance is not easy to interpret because it is normalized and hence depends on the other magnitude of the variables. The normalized version of convariance, the correlation coefficient, however, shows by its magnitude the strength of the linear relation. A distinction must be made between the covariance of random variables, which is popular parameter that can be seen as a property of joint probability distribution, and the sample covariance, which is in addition to serving as a descriptor of sample also serves as an estimated value of for two jointly distributed trivial valued random variables and with finite second moments. The convariance is defined as the expected value or mean of the product of their deviations from their individual expected values. Equation 1. Where is the expected values of also known as the mean, the covariance is also sometimes denoted or in analogy to variance by using the linear property of the expectation. This can be simplified to expect value of the product minus the product of their expected values. The units of measurement of covariance are those of the time of those by constraints, correlations, coefficient, which depends on the covariance, or a dimensionless measure of linear dependence. In fact, correlation coefficients can simply be understood as a normalized version of covariance. Definition for complex random variables. The covariance between two complex random variables is defined as notice the complex. If the random variable pairs can take off the values for which equal probabilities, then the covariance can be equivalently written in terms of means and dash. It can be also equivalently expressed without directly referring to the means. More generally, if there are possible realizations of namely but which possibly unequal probabilities, for then the covariance is